Hi guys, welcome back to Ashton's Amazing Toys and Games. And today I'm at my grandma's house and we are gonna be opening up WWE, but I got a little bit toy, so sorry. But anyways, let's open it. So first I wanna open this up. I'll just put this tape on this character right here, because that's garbage. Oh, there's still more tape. I know you can hear music as well. More tape. There's still more tape on here, but I can still open it. Yep, still open it. Finally. That's a lot of tape. Okay. Whoa, everything is so big. What's these little pieces for? Oh, that's for that. Okay. So let's do. Wait, I don't have that though. They gave me the stuff that I don't even have. Oh wait, no, never mind. So first I want to start off with this. You see these little square pieces? You have to just put it on like that. Also, I don't have my stand, and I'm also on the bed. There you go. Here's the trash can, which we can always just put our characters inside there. Also, it can't fit. So, if it can't fit, all you just need to do is squeeze it. Does it go like this? I think it goes like this. I'm gonna check on the box. Yeah, I guess it goes like that, so whatever. Okay, we have this. I keep on looking at the box upside down. Which I think it's for them to jump off and squish them. And this is a chair, not for them to sit down. It's a ladder. This is for them to put it, wait. This is to put it, close it. Oops, I accidentally broke it. Is that supposed to happen? What? Guys, I think I just broke it. What? No, that was so new. Okay, now. What? It can still be like this. So they just smashed them. Is this supposed to happen? Okay, fixed it. Now, how do you put this back on? Oh, I'm not sure how to fix this, but let my mom fix this. Anyways, let's get to building this. So, I guess this does stand by itself. I was like, where is this part to stand it up? Okay, how to build this? You have to, like you see these, you have to, there are like holes in here. You have to put it down. And then I had to smash it on my head. WWE is actually real. I actually saw somebody went over there. Next, I'm gonna open up the. There's so much to collect on the back, and I knocked that down. And who do I got? So this is series 1. It does even tell me, oh, Ronda Rousey. So that's her name. Girl at work. I knew I was playing her. So here she is. She's so tiny. I bet she can't even pick these up. How many times am I gonna break this? Can't this stay on easily? These break too easily. Yeah, they should make these better. Look. No, she stepped in it and now it broke. Now you're going into trash where you belong. You made out of trash anyways. Try to squeeze it to put it into shape. Is that music gonna be on all day? Okay, fine. Can't stay. She fell out the bed. So you're gonna climb on there like this and then up to the ladder. Oh, feet is stuck. Smash down! Let me set this up first. This is a training effort for her. Except for the C, because it's broken. Okay. 1 and 2. Woo! I wish you guys saw that. Here, let me show you instead. This can stand on it easily. Okay. What is wrong with this piece? Okay, you guys, so there we go. Now, time to go. And a 1 and 2. Smash down! Woo! And away she goes. Wait. And away she goes. Back to her ordinary village. Did she even... Oh, I guess she did. She was in that trash can. Oh my gosh. What? You just sneaked. Okay, let me try that again. Back to your ordinary home. And there she goes. She came out. That she'll stay in. Well, there you go, you guys. WWE. Also, they even made a hangry toy of it, which I'm getting in like January 3. And they actually don't call it WWE, they call it WWP. They mean like PEE. So bye guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel, Ashton's Amazing Toys and Games. Bye. And comment down below. Yeah! Don't forget to subscribe.